ओ नमो नमः। गीताभ्यासे 4-11 ये यथा मां प्रपद्यन्ते +4-12 कांक्षन्तः कर्मणां सिद्धिम्, a study by S.L. Abhyankar. Shlokaha and Padachhedaha. In the scripting of the shlokaha below, orange highlighting indicates spots of Padachhedaha. ये यथा मां प्रपद्यन्ते तांस्तथैव भजाम्यहम् मम वर्त्मानुवर्तन्ते मनुष्याः पार्थ सर्वशः. पदच्छेदै ये यथा मां प्रपद्यन्ते तान् तथा एव भजामि अहम् मम वर्त्म अनुवर्तन्ते मनुष्याः पार्थ सर्वशः. काङ्क्षन्तः कर्मणां सिद्धिं यजन्त इह देवताः क्षिप्रं हि मानुषे लोके सिद्धिर्भवति कर्मजा. पदच्छेदः काङ्क्षन्तः कर्मणां सिद्धिं यजन्ते इह देवताः क्षिप्रं हि मानुषे लोके सिद्धिः भवति कर्मजा. वाक्यांशशः विश्लेषणं प्रथमम्. हे पार्थ, यथा ये मां प्रपद्यन्ते तथा एव अहं तान् भजामि. In 1a, प्रपद्यन्ते is लटि वर्तमानकाले in present tense. प्रथमपुरुषः बहुवचनम् of प्रपद चतुर्थगणीयः आत्मनेपदी. To enter upon, to set forward, to set foot in, to go to or towards, to approach, to resort or attain to reach. In 1b, bhajami is lati uttama purushaha ekvachanam of bhaj, bhajang, sevayam, to serve. There are other meanings also. Bhadihi, prathamaganiyah ubhayapadi, sakarmakah anit. Also, bhaj, bhajang, vishranane, to give, to donate. Churadi, dashamaganiya, ubhayapadi, sakarmakah, set. Overall meaning of ye yatha mam prapadyante tan tatha eva bhajami aham. The way in which men resort to me, come unto me, in the same way I treat them. Now वाक्यांशशः विश्लेषणं द्वितीयम्. सर्वशः मनुष्याः मम वर्त्म अनुवर्तन्ते. In 2, मनुष्याः सर्वशः मम वर्त्म अनुवर्तन्ते. वर्त्मन्, neuter, वृत् मनिन्, a way, road, path, passage, track. The usual manner or course of conduct. And the reference given is of this line only. Mama vartmanu vartante manusha partha sarvasha. Oh, the reference given is of 3-23. We will come to that. Anuvartante is lati prathama purushaha bahuvachanam of anuvrit prathamganiyaha atmanepadi. Sometimes parasmapadi also. To go or roll after, follow, pursue. Figuratively, to follow, conform to, act according to, obey, adapt oneself to, be guided by. Overall meaning of manushyaha sarvashaha mama vartma anuvartante is all people follow my path, that is, end up in me. We will discuss this. वाक्यांशशः विश्लेषणं तृतीयम्. 3a, इह कर्मणां सिद्धिं काङ्क्षन्तः. 3b, देवताः यजन्ते. In 3a, इह कर्मणां सिद्धिं काङ्क्षन्तः. काङ्क्षन्तः, काङ्क्षत्, विशेषणम् अत्र पुल्लिङ्गं प्रथमा बहुवचनं. नोट कांक्षत is shatru visheshanam from kanksha kankshi कांक्षायाम to desire, to long for, to wish. भ्वादिः प्रथमगणीयः परस्मैपदी सकर्मकः set. Although कांक्षन्तः being pulling prathama bahuvachanam qualifies to be kartrupadiyam, I have put it in the column of krudantaha because it has its own karma padam, namely karmanam siddhim. In 3-b, devataha yajante, the phrase 3a, karmanam siddhim kangshantaha, is the subject phrase of the tigantam yajante. Note, yajante is lati, prathama purushaha, bahuvachanam of yaj, yajang, dev puja, sangati, karana, daneshu, to sacrifice, to offer to a deity, to worship, to get associated with, to give. भ्वादिः प्रथमगणीयः उभयपदी सकर्मकः अनिट्. देवताः is स्त्रीलिंगम द्वितीया बहुवचनम of devata. Divine dignity or power, divinity, or it also means a deity, God. Overall meaning of kangshantak karmanam siddhim yajante iha devataha is those who are desirous of fulfillment of their tasks or fulfillment of their desires worship different deities. Now वाक्यांशशः विश्लेषणं चतुर्थम्. क्षिप्रं हि मानुषे लोके सिद्धिः कर्मजा भवति. In 4, क्षिप्रं हि मानुषे लोके सिद्धिः भवति कर्मजा. क्षिप्रं, क्षिप्र adjective, क्षिप rak, and its comparative is kshepi, superlative kshepishtha. One meaning given which I have blocked is elastic as a bow. Quick, speedy. Kshipram, a measure of time, 1/15th of a muhurta, the part of the hand between the thumb and the forefinger, and the corresponding part of the foot. Kshipram, indeclinable also, quickly, speedily, immediately, soon enough. Karmaja, feminine of karmaja, visheshanam. Note, karmani jayate iti karmajam, upapat tatpurusha, what is born out of karma. Overall meaning of kshipram hi manushe loke siddhir bhavati karmaja is soon enough in the world of humans. Attainment becomes regarded as born out of karma. Attainment becomes born out of karma, or attainment becomes regarded as born out of karma. छंदो विश्लेषण. ये यथा मां प्रपद्यन्ते, अष्टाक्षराणि. प्रपद्यन्ते एतेषां मात्राः एका द्वे द्वे. तांस्तथैव भजाम्यहम्. अष्टाक्षराणि. भजाम्य एतेषां मात्राः एका द्वे एका. मम वर्त्मानुवर्तन्ते. अष्टाक्षराणि. नुवर्तन्ते एतेषां मात्राः एका द्वे द्वे. मनुष्याः पार्थ सर्वशः. अष्टाक्षराणि. अर्थ सर्व एतेषां मात्राः एका द्वे एका. अनुष्टुप् छन्दः in 4-11. कांक्षन्तः कर्मणां सिद्धिम्. अष्टाक्षराणि. कर्मणां सिद्धिम् एतेषां मात्राः एका द्वे द्वे. यजन्त इह देवताः. अष्टाक्षराणि. हदेव एतेषां मात्राः एका द्वे एका. क्षिप्रं हि मानुषे लोके. अष्टाक्षराणि. नुषे लो एतेषां मात्राः एका द्वे द्वे. सिद्धिर्भवति कर्मजा. अष्टाक्षराणि. तिकर्म एतेषां मात्राः एका द्वे एका. अगेन अनुष्ठुप् छन्दः in 4-12. टिप्पण्यः नोट्स ऑफ सेल्फ स्टडी. द लाइन मम वर्त्मानुवर्तन्ते मनुष्याः पार्थ सर्वशः 4-11 is ditto the same as in 3-23. In 3-23, the meaning was people emulate me, people follow me. Here the meaning is all people follow my path, that is end up in me. Note, the context here is ye yathamam prapadyante, meaning the way in which men resort to me, prapadyante. So, mama vartmanu vartante, end up in me. The way in which men resort to me, in the same way I treat them. So, how they end up in me. The meaning here, as all people end up in me, is also endorsed by Prajapatistvam. You are the Lord of all creation. In 1139. As also, Yatha nadinam bahavombuvegaha samudramevabhimukha dravanti तथा तवामी नरलोक वीरा विशन्ति वक्त्राण्यभिविज्वलन्ति. Just as all flowing waters reach the seas, likewise all these fighters are entering your mouths. That is in 11-28. So entering your mouths, ending up in you. In कांक्षन्तः कर्मणां सिद्धिं यजन्त इह देवताः क्षिप्रं हि मानुषे लोके सिद्धिर्भवति कर्मजा 4-12. The phrases karmanam siddhi and karmaja siddhi merit a deliberation. Karmanam siddhi means fulfillment of tasks, whereas karmaja siddhi means special faculties developed or attained by devoted practice or by devotion and worship of specific deities. In industries, radiographic quality welders are so certified. Now that is a skill they acquire by practice. So karmaja siddhi. So that is an example of karmaja siddhi. Here the word devataha denote epitomic symbols related to a particular faculty. The word yajante from yaj, meaning to worship, has the extended meaning as energetic pursuit. So it is that energetic pursuit which gets them to acquire that particular siddhi, that particular skill, that particular distinction. So karmaja siddhi. By another connotation, siddhis are 8 superhuman faculties, 8 superhuman faculties. Anima, mahima, chaiva, laghima, garima, tatha प्राप्ति प्राकाम्यमीशत्वं मीशित्वं वशित्वं चाष्टसिद्धयः, said to be acquired by magical means. Anima, the superhuman power of becoming as small as an atom. Anima. Mahima, by this power one can make himself heavy or great at will. Laghima, the supernatural power of assuming excessive lightness at will. Garima, the supernatural power of becoming infinitely heavy. Garima is from the word guru, heavy. Praptihi, the power of obtaining anything. Prakamyam, the supernatural power of realizing whatever one desires. Ishitvam, the supernatural power of possessing absolute lordship. Vashitvam, the supernatural power to subjugate all. The magical means are implicit in the mention yajante devataha, worship of specific deities. In the phrase kshipram hi manushe loke siddhi hi bhavati karmaja, the word kshipram means immediately, instantly. Karmaja siddhi happening kshipram, instantly, brings to mind some occult practices, Tantra Vidya, which are said to give instant results. Magicians and hypnotizers also demonstrate their skills of instant results. which of course are frivolous. But hypnotherapy is also said to be recognized as a therapy of alternative medicine, especially in the field of psychiatry. One wonders whether Gita, by this quote, Kshipram hi manushe loke siddhir bhavati karmaja, refers to, acknowledges, and maybe endorses those practices of instant results. In this manushe loke, powers for miracles seem to have been recognized in all ages and in all faiths. A search on beatification process yields a cause of beatification is part of the formal process by which a deceased person may be named a saint, canonized in the Roman Catholic Church. Before a person is beatified, the Church must determine that God has worked a miracle through the intercession of the Venerable One. Biographies of many saints chronicle the miracles performed by them. Miracles seem to happen more as karmanam siddhi, fulfillment of tasks, rather of desires, than karmaja siddhi, special faculties developed or attained by devoted practice, rather by harsh penance. The deities, devataha, are said to be bestowing those powers when pleased with the harsh penance. In Ramayana, thousands of years ago, there is an episode of Kanchana Mruga, a deer with golden skin. Actually, a form, Kanchan Mruga is actually a form assumed by Marichaha. Marichaha means belonging to or composed by Marichi. Marichaha, name of a demon, son of Sunda and Tadaka. He assumed the form of a golden deer and thus enticed Rama to a considerable distance from Sita so that Ravana found a good opportunity to carry her off. Ability to assume any form is the Prakamyata Siddhi. The phrase Manushe Loke seems to point to the natural interest among humans to aspire for special faculties, to be zealous to stand out, to vie for one-upmanship. There is certainly a tint of ego, ahankara, in this eagerness. Is that a subtle hint for self-introspection? Shubhamastu.